Hi, I'm Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with my 5 to-dos for January. Let's get started. Clean your dryer exhaust. Lint buildup can affect the dryer's efficiency and may create a fire hazard. While many see this as an annual task, it all depends on how often you use your dryer. You'll never regret cleaning this out, as it keeps the unit working properly and keeps your home safe. Number 2, clean the garage door rollers and clean the track. Whether you have an opener or not, applying a product like WD-40 to your garage door rollers can make it much easier to operate. Plus, you'll save yourself from those annoying squeaks the next time you go to close the door. Follow up by cleaning the track with a damp rag to remove any dirt or debris. Number 3, drain the water heater. Sediment that collects in the bottom of the heater can affect the unit and shorten its lifespan. Number 4, build or refill your disaster preparedness kit. Do you have enough food, water, and battery power for 72 hours? If not, now is the time to create a kit with those items. Add a first aid kit, radio, cell phone, battery backup, and cash. If you already have a kit, check the date of your items and replace any expired ones. Number 4, clean that oven. The holidays are over, and if you had success making and baking to your delight, it may be high time to give it a good cleaning. If you're lucky enough to have a self-cleaning oven, then crank it up. Keep in mind, it can fill the house with a strong odor and even set off smoke alarms. There are several oven cleaners you can use to clean. Just don't forget to give the oven racks a good cleaning as well. Need help with cleaning your dryer vent? Well, that video is coming up next.